Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to draw on Notion. Open up Notion in the web browser. Check out all of its objects from the dashboard. Open up a new tab. Here search Whiteboard. Then click to open its site. Here, draw a random drawing. Then copy the URL link of this whiteboard. Paste it back in Notion. Then choose the Create Embed option. As you can see, your drawing is embedded in Notion now. Drag to increase the size of the whiteboard. You can draw whatever you want on it. This is how you draw on a Notion. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.